The advantages of nuclear power. It is inexpensive, high amounts of energy from low amounts of fuel, no greenhouse emissions, low amounts of waste, and it is reliable. Radiation. Radiation is energy traveling through space. Not all radiation is bad. There are many helpful uses for radiation, like medical treatments, food, crops, and industry. It is unsafe to effectively remove depleted uranium rods from a nuclear reactor without human interaction. The solution is nuclear extraction technique, NXT power.
Hello, my name is Alec Biagagagagagin. I am a nuclear physicist working at a nuclear power plant facility on Project NXT Power. Nuclear extraction technique power. Our robot will take depleted uranium rods and put them in the disposal bin, take new uranium rods that have never been used, and put them in the nuclear reactor, all using ambient light readings, ultrasonic readings, reflected light readings, and motor transmissions. Using the motor sensor, the light sensor, the other light sensor, and the ultrasonic sensor. Thank you. Our robot starts at home base and moves forward. Using the ultrasonic light sensor, it determines the distance to stop in front of the nuclear reactor fuel pod. It then reads the ambient light to determine if it is in fact in front of the nuclear reactor fuel pod. If it is, it picks up the depleted uranium rod and proceeds to the disposal bin. The robot uses reflective light to follow the line to the disposal bin, where it again uses the ultrasonic sensor to determine distance and the ambient light reading to determine if it is in front of the disposal bin. If it is, it drops the depleted rod into the disposal bin. It then goes to home base, turns around and goes towards the supply bin, where it determines the distance with the ultrasonic sensor and the ambient light reading. If the robot is in front of the supply bin, it picks up a new uranium rod, turns and proceeds towards the nuclear reactor fuel pod. Using reflective light, it follows the line, stops at the appropriate distance, verifies it is at the fuel pod, and drops a new rod into the reactor. The robot then returns to home base.